Hello everyone, Mark Ritchie with Virginia Writer Magazine, and we're pleased to introduce a new feature entitled Lesser Known Roads. And a few miles up the road, right now we're at the border of Highland County, Virginia and Pendleton County, West Virginia, is Crummets Run Road. And that's a little pass through between Hoover and Simmons Mountains. And it's only about 5 miles long, but there's a nice little nugget with a great view of Jack Mountain at the top. And it's a great shortcut if you're traveling to and from Stanton to Franklin and back. So it's a really nice alternative if you're doing a loop instead of having to go back the same way. And we all hate going back the same way we came from. So this is hopefully gives riders an idea about what else is out there that they don't have to travel the same way. So sit back and enjoy the ride, and thanks for riding along with us. Welcome to Crummets Run Road. I'm going to go full on Stig mode. Here's the Stig. This is a pretty much paintless road. Not a whole lot in the way of road signs and guardrails. It's just a raw road. And one would take this as an alternative from, like I say, going from Stanton to Franklin. As an alternative to 250 and 220. It is a gorgeous Saturday afternoon in April. It's partly cloudy with temps in the high 70s, otherwise known as Aerosmith weather. There's nothing but houses, homesteads, and farms. Find a shopping center or a box store or fast food restaurant. Not even a country store on this road. And this is a cool little house. There's a pond off to the right. I don't think the camera's going to pick it up because it's right at ground level. They've got a slide and a dock so people use it to swim in. Quite a few deer. I've had a couple of close calls. But then again, I do like riding in the fall and the winter time. It's usually not a whole lot of traffic, but we're approaching the peak of the road. And there's that magnificent view. I know the camera doesn't do it any justice, but in person it sure is majestic and beautiful. There's still some gravel on the road. We did have snow here back on Tuesday, if I'm not mistaken. Today's Saturday. It's all melted. It's going to take a few more weeks to get this all cleared off. So this, if you were coming from Franklin, West Virginia, chances are you'd come down 220 and turn on Thorn Creek Road, which runs into Warriors Gap Road. right on Doe Hill Road, which is what we were on before we turned, and then Crummets Run Road to Sugar Grove Road, all of which are, with the exception of 220, lesser traveled roads. And we'll be sure to get Thorn Creek Road on this feature as well. It's a great alternative to 250 and 220. So this is all downhill from here all the way to Sugar Grove Road. This is a Saturday. A couple Saturdays ago, it was standing room only. There's a public fishing pond at the end, and it was standing room only on the shores and at the office where you pay. It's kind of cool to see everybody back out and about. So we may encounter the same thing today. There's some cows. We encountered another vehicle. It is Saturday, but more times often than not, you won't see another vehicle at all on this stretch. And that's one of the fantastic things about riding out here, is that you typically don't follow anything but the front tire. And parking lots got a few cars in it. There's some people fishing. It's off to the right. Folks enjoying their Saturday afternoon. Well, we're almost at the stop sign. I want to thank everybody for watching. Thanks in advance for liking, sharing, and subscribing. It really helps the channel out. And we look forward to seeing you on the next ride. Thanks again for watching. Cheers.